This video shows how to integrate the physical button and the website by using obniz. This is a steps. First, you need one obniz and physical button that can turn on and turn off, and one breadboard and cables. Now first you need to put the button on a breadboard and connect to obniz by using wires like this way. And connect to obniz pin number 0 and 1. Connection is done. Next step is open the programming page on the website. This time we don't need the on and off button on the website and also servo motor object. So I removed it and put the bottom object and wire to obniz 0 and 1 and remove on and off callbacks and add button on change callback functions. And when button is pressed, then the change CSS on the body tag and background color to red color, and the other hand change the background color to the white. And this is done. And open the program page and run it and place the button. Then the body will change to the red and white.